Dear students, in this video we will solve the English workshop and language study question from the lesson Reading Works of Art। और 9 क्लास के इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट के हर लेसन के हर क्वेश्चन और आंसर का मैंने एक पीडीएफ और ई बुक भी तैयार किया है। अगर आप उसको खरीदना चाहते हैं तो आप उसको खरीद सकते हैं, लिंक उसका आपको पहले कमेंट में मिल जाएगा। So first question is spot the error in the spelling of the following words with reference to the passage and rewrite them correctly। So in the answer we can see wrong spelling in a column and right spelling just in front of it। So words are renowned, features, geometric, figures, painting, inner, circles, village, achieving, decided, tribal, mythology, earthen, medium, different। Second question is complete the following diagram। Characteristic features of Raza's painting: simple geometric shape, striking colors combination, captivating composition, colors blue and orange। Third question is complete the following with reference to the passage। A sentence is Raza's painting do not depict life-like human figures or copies of scenes from this environment। B is Raza's painting are done in the abstract style। C is Raza's painting are not inspired by an external factor। D is Raza's painting present images from his own inner mind। E is Raza's painting radiate peace and life at the same time। F is the bindu or point became the score of Raza's painting। G is for an artist like Raza his work or painting are an effective medium of communication। Fourth question is read the passage on Gond art carefully, then complete the following sentences without going back to the passage। The Gond art is a tribal art। The Gondi language is similar to Telugu, a Dravidian language। Originally, people used to draw pictures on earthen walls of their houses। In folk arts, you yourself prepare the canvas, the surface on which to draw and the colors with which you draw। Fifth question is write about the following important features of Gond art with the help of the passage। So in this chart, we can see the important features of Gond art and we will write each of them separately। So in answer, the first point is developed and preserved by। So Gond art is a tribal art। It has been developed and preserved by the Gond tribal people residing largely in the Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha states of India। A medium of Gond art is a medium of recording and preserving what is seen and also decorating the houses with beautiful pictures to create a pleasant atmosphere। Next point is preparing the canvas or medium। Usually the artists use a canvas made of a special kind of fabric, but in Gond art the canvas or the surface on which to draw can be a house and it can be prepared by the artist himself। Preparing colors: in the days of past, several things in the nature such as soil of different shades, the juice of plants, leaves, tree bark, flower, fruits and even things like coal and cow dung were used to prepare colors। Outlines: in the Gond style of art, we see that the outlines may vary a little from artist to artist, but the design that fill it make the whole picture look lively and attractive। Sixth question is why does the author think that the roots of folk art lie in women's chores? So answer is because women deal with many things that an artist has to do, like while decorating and cleaning the house and doing their chores. They choose different colors when they cook and do some other leisure activity। They also choose many patterns and colors, so that is how many folk arts were born in the households, and this is the reason author think that the roots of folk art lie in women's chores। Seventh question is from the passage list the words related to geometry and colors and design। So answer is first is geometry: circles, triangles, squares, rectangles, lines, dots, bindu, point, straight line, dotted line, curvy shapes। Second word is colors and the words that are related to colors is blue, orange, color combination, paintings, pictures and shades। C is design and the words that are related to designs are curvy shapes, lifelike human figures। Eighth question is these two passages are examples of a short introduction to work of art, a short review। They cover the following points: the name of the creator, the theme or subject matter, type of art, individual style, presentation techniques, its effects on viewers, message or interpretation। What points will you include if you had to review a book or film or a play? List the points। So answer: to review a book, we should include these points: name of the author, the theme of the book, type of book, individual style, presentation techniques, its effect on readers, message or interpretation. But if you are reviewing a film or a play, then we can add some additional points like acting, music and cinematography. Next point is choose a book or film and review it in short using the points you have listed. In answer, we will review the novel 5 Point Someone written by Chetan Bhagat. So name of the author or name of the creator is Chetan Bhagat. The theme or subject matter is the story surrounds around 3 friends who are studying in IIT. The story tells us about the problem faced by Indian students and it raises the question against our educational system. Type of art, the story is presented in the form of a novel. Individual style, Chetan Bhagat's writing style is very unique. He writes in a very simple yet effective way. Presentation techniques, Chetan Bhagat presented the story in a very attractive way. Indian reader and especially students find themselves very close to the story. Its effect on viewers, this novel leaves a great effect on readers. Since it also questions our educational system, we start looking at our school and colleges differently. It also inspired the readers to pursue their passions. Message or interpretation, the novel tells us that we should pursue our passion and there are many beautiful things around us that we should enjoy. We should not be always running after money. And one point is film 3 Idiots were based on this novel. Now we will start the language history question. So first question is, you know that an adverb is a word that tells us something more about a verb, an adjective or another adverb. It can give us information about the place, time, manner, etc. of the action denoted by the verb. For example, here tells us a place, now give us information about time, fast give us information about manner. In the same way, an adverb clause is a group of words that can also tell us something about place, time, manner, etc. of the action denoted by the verb. Read the following examples and then complete the sentence using your own ideas. So first is A, you may sit wherever you like, or you may sit where your friends is sitting. Second is time, I entered the school when the bell was ringing. I entered the school after the teacher has already started teaching. And C is manner, I love my country like a true Indian should. I love my country like a child loves his mother. So these were the margin questions and English workshop question from the lesson reading work of art. आई होप कि आप लोगों ने इस वीडियो की मदद से क्वेश्चंस के आंसर लिखे होंगे। अगर आप लोगों का फिर भी कोई डाउट हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर पूछिए। वीडियो पसंद आए तो इसे लाइक जरूर कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड के साथ में शेयर कीजिए और इसी तरह की इन्फॉर्मेटिव और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस के लिए मेरे चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। आई विल सी यू इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो।